So, Robert, the people will also be able to protect themselves from EMF pollution or 5G or whatever with this system?
Absolutely. In fact, this is something that Dr. Karim himself, the founder of BioGeometry, applied in Switzerland in two
Yes.
different cities where he completely transformed the electromagnetic pollution of two cities in Switzerland. And he's applied it on a smaller basis in places around the world for the last 20 years. And so we teach the foundation of this in all of our classes, and I'll be referencing some of the principles of this in the presentation at the talk in Perth. Now, one of the fundamental concepts of this is that in most healing systems today, we look at whether we're using color or sound or shape or whatever it is, we're looking at the vibrations in a polarized yin-yang polarity. And so some are more activating, some are more sedating. What biogeometry does is it brings in this forgotten unified source energy, the original center from which everything then splits into polarity. And this is actually a energetic field that we can connect to any polarized energy source, any color, any sound, any angle, any electromagnetic wave, and reconnect it back to the center. This has a harmonizing effect that makes it less destructive to living energy fields, including the human energy field. So there's been a lot of research over the last several decades with Dr. Karim's biogeometry that's been performed at the Egyptian National Research Center, with the Egyptian National Hepatitis C Research Project, and many other scientific and university research projects to demonstrate that this does have a very powerful healing and protective effect. But again, it's because it's based on some principles that many people are not aware of. And we can make it very practical with sources of this harmonizing vibration applied to any polarities. If I could give just one example of the use of this, for example, in design. If you look at the cover of Dr. Karim's book, he has a book that's called Back to a Future for Mankind. Now, on the cover of the book, it has a picture of a pyramid that is overlaid on a modern city. And what Dr. Karim did is he made it so that the cover of the book actually emanates this BG3 harmonizing, centering vibration. And he did it by looking at what the color of the cover was going to be, and then finding what angle to put on the pyramid shape on the cover, that the alchemical interaction between the color of the cover and the slope angle of the pyramid drawn on the cover interact to create this centering, harmonizing vibration. And that's an example of the use of this technology in practical design.
Fantastic. Oh, fantastic. Thank you so much for this explanation. Thanks.
Thank you.